Why automation matters. Telecom network is no longer simple providing basic telephone services. It is a complex network which can handle static infrastructure with dynamic, distributed, multi-vendor, multi-technology, multi-services ecosystem. 5G, IoT, Internet of Things, cloud, edge, computing, virtualization, all kinds of new technologies and associated services have multiplied and made this network complexities go 100-fold. Manual operations cannot simply keep up. Automation matters because networks are too large for humans to manage manually. Customer expectations and demand instant response. Outage of the network cost millions. The complexity is exploding and speed is everything in terms of meeting customer expectations. So automation is not a luxury, but it's a survival for any telecom operator. And OSS is the foundation of automation for an operator. Automation in OSS is built on three pillars. Machine-driven, which is like computer-driven. Systems takes action without human intervention. Policy-driven decisions where rules, thresholds, intent, guide, behavior which are set by human beings and obviously varies from operator to operator. These rules define as a policy and they make decisions. For example, in my early years of career, we used to put some policies. If the capacity on a given link exceeds 50 to 60% of the total capacity, we need to add more capacity because it takes time to do that. Those type of policies have to be put in place beforehand. Workflow-driven processes, multi-step tasks are orchestrated together in an end-to-end format where some tasks are manual and some are automated running in the background, but in the end it's seamless from a workflow point of view or from a process point of view, from a function point of view. In this case, automation is not one thing, it is an ecosystem along with manual activities. But before automation can work, OSS needs some foundations, needs clean, accurate, real-time data. And that's why when we talked about episode 4, the data is so important. Automation is not only good as data feeding it. In other words, data is the driving source to enable automation. There are 5 levels of automation. Namely, level 1 is manual, where humans do it, everything, which is how it started in the early years. Level 2, assisted, as computers get evolved, telecom operators moved to this, so reducing number of human beings interacting to do the job. It provides recommendation. Then came level 3, partial automation. System performs some actions with human approval or human checklists, checking them on regular basis. And then full automation, system can independently perform some tasks within the defined boundary and spit out results for humans to take it to the next step. Then came level 5 is autonomous. Systems understand the intents, takes in the policies, predicts the outcome, and then automatically self-optimize it to minimize the impact. Most operators today sit in level 2 and 3. The industry is pushing towards level 5.